What's good with you? Man, what we doing today? I'll tell you. I'm about to deposit. I'm going to buy $500 worth of drip. And then I'm going to deposit it, lock it up forever, and earn $5 a day. That's 1% of my investment. Why would I do that? Something I want to do. You know, it's one of those things to where you leave your money in a savings account. You put $500 in a savings account, you ain't earning nothing on your money. Granted, you can still go back in there, pull your $500 out, use it. But with this, earning $5 a day, well, 5 times 100 days is $500. So I'll have my initial investment back in 100 days. And that's if I do not recompound it or reinvest it. Right, so I can take that $5 a day and keep putting it back into the same system. And then over time, it'll grow more and more. And so eventually I'll start making $5.10, $5.50, $6, $8. And eventually that number will keep going up. Now, the price fluctuates in crypto. That's just part of crypto. That's part of everything. The price fluctuates. I mean, you go in the grocery store. I ain't gonna go there, but I'm just saying, you know, it seems like the price fluctuate on everything, but everything around it seems like it keep going up. My boy Eric told me something about, he asked me this question, said, is the dollar going down, or is things getting more expensive? So I had to think about it. I was like, well, the gas prices is rising, but does that make the price of the thing go up, or does that mean the value of the dollar is going down, which in return makes things look like it's cost more? Anyway, man, let's do it, man. All right, so the first thing I gotta do is I gotta go to Pancake Swap. All right, so Pancake Swap, we're gonna hit trade, and I don't have $500 worth of BNB. So I need to either buy some BNB, or if I have it in another crypto, I can just swap $500 worth of another crypto into BNB, and I do. Just so you see it, click on Metamask, assets, and I scroll down to BUSD. So I got 2866 in here of BUSD. So I can swap $500 worth of this into BNB. That's what I'm gonna do. And so, you know, whatever you deposit into drip, it gets taxed 10%. All right, let's open up drip website. We're gonna connect our wallet. All right, we're gonna go to the swap page. All right, so right now BNB drip is $38. What we doing? Oh, Faucet. Here we go. A 10% tax is charged on deposit. So 10% of 500 is $50. So $450 is actually gonna go in here, not 500. That $50, that tax, you say, well, what happened to the tax? Well, that tax is what gets put into a locked pool and gets redistributed to everybody that has locked their money into this faucet. All right, and so that's how they able to pay you back, pay you that extra, you know, the extra little umph. All right, so 500 times 1% is $5 a day. All right, how long do you get $5 a day for? Whatever you put in there, whatever you deposit, you multiply it by 3.65 or 365%. 500 times 3.65. You can do 365%, or you can just do 3.65. All right, equals 1825. So what that's saying is, I deposit $500. Don't forget, I'm gonna get taxed on it. I'm gonna get 10% gonna come out, but let's just make this simple. I deposit $500. I get paid $5 every single day up to 1825 is paid back to me. So not only am I going to get my $500 back, I'm also 1825. Let me see. 1825 minus 500 equals. I'm also going to get an additional 1325. Come on, man. That's so 1%. When you think about that, like them CDs and stuff, they do that 1% a day. I mean, I'm sorry, CDs do 1% a year. All right, 1% a year. Come on, let's look. Best CD rates. There we go. Bank rate. Best CD rates for April 2022. Oh, 1.10. Deposit 25,000. Okay. Man, 1.1. That's in a year. That's in a year. Look, the term is 10 months. Here you go, right here. Minimum is 500 APY 1.1. So I mean, that's in a year though. So I put my $500 in, and in a year they're gonna give me 1.1%. Let's just round that to $5. I'm gonna get $5 in a year. I mean, you give me $500 and I'm gonna give you back $505 10 months from now. Look at this. Oh, you want to lock it up for 2 years? You can get a whole whopping 0.35 more percent. Come on, man. What is that? I ain't feeling it. So that's why I'm doing my deposits in here. I'm you know, I mean, it's a risk I'm willing to take. You know, if you want to take that risk too, you know, hey, jump in the car with me, roll with me. All right, but all right, that's what it is. All right, so first I need to swap. I need some BNB. All right, so I go to Pancake Swap. By the way, I can't even remember if I told you that, but I'm gonna tell you again. I go to PancakeSwap.finance. All right, and then I know I got BUSD. Click it up here. All right, and I'm going to add the 10% tax in there, so it'll be an even 500. All right, that's going to give me 1.23 BNB. All right, here we go. Got my 550, 1.23 BNB. Hit swap, confirm. Let's see this number. There we go. 1.227. So I had a little bit in there, as you can see, but 1.23. That's what I wanted to do. All right, so now we can go to drip. I go to the swap page, and by the way, I'm on drip.community. Go to the swap page. I can buy drip right here. Put in 1.23. Click buy. All right, then I gotta approve this. All right, so I just approved it, so I can buy me some Drizip. Hey, look, I'm gonna buy my way into success. Successful. All right, I click OK. Right here, drip balance. There we go. Just went up to 14.37 and a whole bunch of other numbers. Now listen, I got the token. I can hold it and hope it go up like any other token, or I can come to the Faucet page and I can deposit that. I can deposit that drip that I just bought and earn interest on my money. All right, remember I told y'all it's gonna be a 10% on all deposits. All right, so let's do it. Let's max this thing, and then deposit successful. So this deposit amount Should be 77 plus. Damn. We almost at 100. We almost at 100 drip. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back tomorrow around the same time. Right now it's 6:42, so I'm gonna come back at 6:42. It's Friday. I'm gonna come back on Saturday. I should have my little $34 right here. Alright, should have my $34.72 or somewhere around that. Alright, and so yeah, once it's in here, I can pull that out or I can keep compounding. I'm gonna keep compounding. And so here you go. These two buttons, just so you know, hydrate or recompound, is just basically I'm reinvesting any money that I earned from here back into the system. Alright, claim means I want to pull this money out. Alright, I want to pull this money out. That's what that claim means. And you know, you do what you want with it at that point. Me, I'm gonna be hydrating. You gotta stay hydrated. You know what I mean? You can't go long without hydrating in real life. Hello. But look, that's all. Just wanted to show y'all that. A little something. I'll be back and I'll show y'all if I actually earn that 1%. Till next time, holla at you.